Today's topic is how to convert into scientific notation. So before we will study how to convert into scientific notation, it is very much necessary that first of all we will understand what is scientific notation. Let's see. Scientific notation is a standard way of writing very large and very small numbers so that they easier to both compare and use in computation. While we are calculating big numbers, it is very easy to read if we are having arabs and crores, billions and millions. When there are 100 zeros behind any number, so it is very tough to read. So it is written scientific notation is a standard way of reading very large and very small numbers so that they easier to both compare and use in computation. Let's see what is the form of scientific notation. You can see how to write it. N multiply by 10 raised to power a, where n is a number from 1 to 9, any number from 1 to 9, and a is an integer whether it is positive or negative number. Okay, so this value of n can be 1 to 9 and a can be negative or positive, but when a is negative and when a is positive, now power a negative or positive depends upon if decimal is moving right side. If we are shifting decimal to right side, this side, you can have example this one 2.496. If you are shifting this decimal to this side, this is your right side, so the power will come negative. And if decimal is here and you are shifting this decimal up to here, any up to here, up to here, up to here, if you will shift 1 2 3 places, then power will come positive 3. Here in place of a, if you will shift 3 places, you will write power plus 3. If you will shift to right side 2 places, you will write power minus 2. These you will understand while you will solve the questions. Let's see, we will have some examples now. But remember this, if you will shift to right side, power will become negative. If you will shift to left side, power will become positive. Now see, I have written some questions which are from your exercise. Let's see this. In this number, if you will see, it is very big. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Means it is 5 crore 40 lakhs sum. 5 crores and 40 lakhs. Same way it is very big. If you are going to write in scientific form, so in this number there is no point. This number you can see point is not there. If point is not there, it means point is placed here. Point is at last. Now what I taught, just finishing this topic, previous one topic when we were talking about the scientific notation, I told you if we are moving the decimal to the left side, power will come positive. We will write this number in form of this, n multiplied 10 raised to power a. And n means one whole number, means before the point or onto the left side of point there should be only one whole number, which is n. Now we will shift this point up to here so that to the left side of point only one whole number should left. Now you can see how many places you are shifting. Very easy it is. Multiply 10 raised to power. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places we are shifting. Point is here. We will shift point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Point we will shift here. 5.4. We shifted 7 places, so power will come 7. Second question. Same way, decimal is not present in this number, that means decimal is here, and according to the rules of scientific notation, means to the left side of point only we need one whole number. That's why I have written only n into 10 to the power a. We need only one whole number. So it means we will shift this point up to this place, so that to the left side of point only one whole number 2 will left. So we will count how many places we are shifting. So this will come in the form of this 10 raised to power something a we will calculate now, and whole number. Now we are shifting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 places we are shifting up to here. So it will 2.74. Rest of zeros you can leave. We shifted one more time. I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 places, and we are shifting point to the left side, so power will come plus and 2.74. You can see n is a whole number, this 2 is a whole number, and rest of is a decimal part. Same way in this you can see, in this also decimal is not given, it means decimal is here, decimal is at last. We will shift this decimal up to this place, so that left side of this decimal only one whole number will left. We will shift this up to here, 1 2 3 4. Here 4 places we will shift 7.2 power 4. Here also point is at last, we will shift it how many places? Let's see. We are shifting decimal to the left side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 places, so power plus 9, and here we write 8.04. This is the examples of when we are shifting the point left side. Now we'll have examples when we are shifting point right side. Now which questions I am solving now? There are two questions I have written on the board. These two questions are not in your syllabus book, these are from outside, but from here what we will learn, when the point is shifted, point will move to the right side. So here you know that while converting any number into scientific form, we need a non-zero number, a whole number to the left side of the decimal. So you can see this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is a non-zero number. If we will shift this point here, then it will satisfy this equation, n multiply 10 raised to power a, means one whole number will come to the left side of decimal, means we will shift this point here. Now see how to shift it. 10 raised to power will comes when we will shift the point. How many places we are shifting the point? Now see, here we are shifting 1 2 3 4 places we are shifting. It will comes 2.968. As you know now, we are shifting point to the right side, so power will come, we shifted 1 2 3 4 places, so power will come minus 4. Next you can see this one. Here also these all are zeros. One first non-zero number is this one, so we will shift this point after this number here, so that to the left side of decimal only one non-zero number will be present. Now see, we will change it. 10 raised to power will comes after shifting the point. Now 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 places we are shifting, so we will write it 8.968. and how many places we shifted? We shifted 6 places right side, so power will come minus 6. But these are the solution how to convert into scientific notations as a negative and the positive power. Now see, next topic is how to convert into standard form. Now standard form, how to convert it, questions are given here. What we will do, 6 and then we will place 10 raised to power 5. You can place 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. This is your standard form. This is 7.4 multiply 10 raised to power 3, so you can write 74. Decimal you can remove and place 3 zeros. Now you can see point was after one place, so you can place after one place. Next, here first you can write 48 without decimal, and then 10 raised to power 5 is given, you can write 5 zeros. Now point was after one place, so you can place here after one place, So it will be 480000 kilometer. So these are called standard form. Thank you.